how to stop incoming calls on Android without blocking. So on your phone, simply goes to the search apps and then come and search for settings, okay? And then come and select the settings on your phone by tapping on it. It's going to take you to the settings. All that you have to do is simply come here to the sound and vibration and then come and tap on it, okay? And then come down here by scrolling down and then locate this where we have do not disturb. You can see this off, just tap on it, and then under it simply come here to the calls, okay, and tap on it. So over here under the calls, you are going to see we have allow calls, and then simply come and then tap on it, okay. So over here we have allow calls, so you can allow calls from anyone, okay. And then beside that one you can allow calls from only your contacts, okay. And then we have your start contact as well. And then we have do not allow any calls. So if you don't want to allow any incoming calls, simply come and then select do not allow any calls, okay. And then simply come down here to where we have allow repeat calls, okay. So if somebody call you twice within 15 minutes, it is going to be allowed. So come and turn it off just like this one, okay. And then let's go back, okay, by clicking on the back and simply come here to where we have do not disturb and then come and then tap on it to turn it on, okay. And then over here you see that as long as it is on, no incoming calls are going to come without you actually blocking their line, okay. So when you look at the top side where we have the notification icon, you see that the do not disturb icon is here. So when you scroll it down, you're going to see that the do not disturb is now turned on, okay. So this is how to actually stop all incoming calls without blocking it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.